Hi, I'm Paulette, and today I wanted to share with you some breathing techniques that I've learned as a yoga teacher that I think are very beneficial. And they have different purposes, uses, but they're all really good to know. And if you're an advanced practitioner, you might be familiar with many of them, if not all of them. But if you're new to yoga, I think it's really good to know, and it's always good to review them as well. So I'm going to be sharing with you 4 different types of breath. The first one is called Ujjayi pranayama. The second one is Kapalabhati. The third one is Bhastrika. And the fourth one is Nadi Shodhana, which is also known as alternate nostril breathing. So Ujjayi pranayama you can actually use throughout your asana practice. And it's also known as ocean breath. So you're inhaling from the back of the throat and exhaling from the back of the throat. And the beauty of this breath is that it activates the vagus nerve, which is one of the longest nerves in the body, which attaches to most of the vital organs except for the adrenals. And what it does is it helps to deliver signals from the brain to the organs so that they can function properly. And it helps with respiration, with digestion, and also regulating food intake. But this breath is really helpful to kind of stimulate that nerve. So how do we do it? So I like to jokingly refer to it as Darth Vader breath, if you know Star Wars. It also sounds like a sigh, so I'll show you what it sounds like. We can just try one. So let's try it together. We'll do 5 breaths. So taking in a deep breath from the back of the throat, breathing from the belly, and then exhale, pressing from the back of the throat. Inhale and exhale. And keep going. And last one. Okay, so that's Ujjayi pranayama. The second breath is called Kapalabhati breath, and it's also known as skull polishing breath because it helps to really clear out the mind. It helps to get the blood pumping through the veins. It's really good for energizing the body or for invigorating the body. So how do you do it? So Kapalabhati breathing is a quick inhalation and exhalation through the nose with an emphasis on the exhale. And so this is what it sounds like. So the belly is actually inflating with the inhale, and exhale, it shrinks in towards the spine. And so the breath is basically pumping from the belly. So let's try it together. We'll do 20 rounds, taking in a deep breath. Good, taking in a deep breath. Exhale. I think that was about 20. And so that is Kapalabhati breathing. And a lot of times the next breath, Bhastrika breathing, they get confused. A lot of times they're used interchangeably because they're similar. So Bhastrika breath is quick inhalations and exhalations through the nose with an emphasis on both the inhale and the exhale equally. And the impetus of the breath is from the chest. So you're still moving the belly, but you're breathing more from the chest. And so it's just a little bit of a different focus in the body. And so it sounds like this. So it's a little bit more challenging. So let's go ahead and try it together. So taking in a deep breath and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep going. Good. Deep breath in and exhale. And so I didn't mention this before, but you can actually do both of those breaths with the arms included. So you'd inhale, bring the arms up, and as you exhale, bring the elbows down and the arms down to the sides. Okay, so let's try 10 of those. So bringing up the arms and inhaling, and begin. Good. Deep breath in and exhale. Yeah, so it definitely fires up the body, gets the blood pumping, gets energy moving, stimulates and clears the mind. Okay, so the last breath I wanted to share with you is called Nadi Shodhana, also known as alternate nostril breathing. And so this one I would suggest if your nose is a little clogged, or any of the breaths, that you blow your nose first. But this one in particular, because we're going to close off one nostril and only breathe in through a single nostril. So whichever hand you use, you're going to use the thumb and the ring finger. And then the index finger and the middle finger can just rest on your forehead, or you can curl them down. And so let's start with a natural breath in and out through both nostrils. And then bringing the hand to the face, and let's start on the left. So closing off the left nostril, breathing in through the open nostril. Close that nostril, open the alternate, exhale. Inhale, same nostril. Close, open alternate, exhale. Inhale, same nostril. Close, open alternate, exhale. And keep going, inhaling. Close, exhale. Inhale. Close, exhale. Inhale. Close and open, exhale. And last time, deep breath in. Close and open alternate and exhale. And then release the hand and breathe through both nostrils. So this breath helps to balance the two hemispheres of the brain, or maybe something a little bit more clear is it balances the nervous system. So when you breathe in through the left nostril, it helps to activate the parasympathetic nervous system. When you breathe in through the right nostril, it helps to activate the sympathetic nervous system, and hence balancing the nervous system when you breathe through each nostril intermittently. And so it also grounds, it centers, it's very good for lung function and decreasing the heart rate, right, slowing it down. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope that understanding these breaths is going to help you with creating a daily breathing practice, or even you can thread them into your yoga practice. And thank you so much for watching. If you have comments, please feel free to put them in the box below. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Namaste.